Welcome to Westcott Duffy & Conway PE Department, and specifically the Btec Sport course taught for Year 12 and 13. Before I start my presentation, I would like you to watch this short video clip in regards to the benefits of studying Btec.
The importance of the sports scientist role is growing all the time, as our understanding of the world of the human body and physical activity deepens. They work with the team behind me to equip us with the latest knowledge, studies and information available to help improve physical prowess and performance. Typically, sports scientists work with sports coaches and sports therapists to improve performance and efficiency of individuals and teams. They work with doctors to help people improve health through exercise, and with hospitals and other centres in areas like physical rehab. They're often involved in research projects and offer advice on designing and manufacturing new sports equipment and technologies. They have a lot on their plate, but they thrive in business and more people are interested in it. With health and fitness a bigger concern for people all over the world. Sports scientists are lucky in that they'll have lots of options within their careers. They can work with universities, colleges, schools, sports organisations, local authorities, and often be self-employed once they're established in their field. Also, with the skills they pick up while being a sports scientist, they can move into related areas like sports development or performance testing and research. Studying a Btec in sport and exercise science will help equip you with the skills you need to be a sports scientist.
Structure of the Btec course. During the course of the 2 years, you will complete 4 units. In Year 12, you will complete Anatomy and Physiology, which is taught by myself, Mr. Jason Turner, and is assessed externally via examination. Also in Year 12, you will complete Sports Leadership, which is an internally assessed unit, which is taught by Ms. Sarah Tudor. In Year 13, Mr. Ricky Jones will deliver fitness training and programming for health, sport and wellbeing, and this unit will be assessed externally. The internally assessed unit will be taught by myself, Mr. Jason Turner, and the focus is upon professional development in the sports industry. Calculation of qualification grade. The name of the game at Btec is to collect as many points as possible. The internal units and external units enable you to collect as many points as possible. However, the external units have a slightly heavier weighting. Having completed the internal units, you will be given a grade. If you pass the internal units, you will receive 9 points. For merit, you will receive 15 points, and for distinction, you will receive 24 points. Slightly different, the external units have a near pass grade. A near pass grade is worth 8 points, a pass is worth 12 points, a merit is worth 20 points, and a distinction is worth 32 points. At the end of the 2 years, we add all the points together, and we're able to calculate your final grading. For a pass, you will need to have 36 points at the end of the 2 years. For a merit, you'll need 52 points. For a distinction, you'll need 74 points. And for the distinction star, you'll need 90 points. When comparing A-level to Btec, you can see quite clearly here on the PowerPoint that pass is the equivalent to an E grade at A-level, merit is the equivalent of a C grade at A-level, distinction is equivalent to an A at A-level, and distinction star is the equivalent of an A star at A-level. Unit 1 is an externally assessed unit, and the focus is upon anatomy and physiology. During the course of the year, we'll be focusing on 5 topics: the skeletal system, muscular system, respiratory system, cardiovascular system, and energy system. And the focus is upon how these 5 systems affect upon our sporting performance.
The leadership unit is assessed internally and is 100% coursework. This unit is completed in Year 12 and the assessment includes 2 assignments. In Assignment 1, you will need to research leadership characteristics and how psychological factors impact effective leadership. To be successful in this assignment, you will need to use lesson resources and independent research. The assignment has to be presented digitally using a professional layout, and a detailed bibliography is required. The second assignment is more practical, where the focus is on developing leadership skills. As well as theory lessons, there will also be practical sessions. You will also need to join a sports club as part of the coaching team to help you develop your confidence and provide you with valuable experiences. This is important because the second assignment includes a coaching session observation.
You will study and complete Unit 2 in Year 13, focusing on the aspects seen on this slide. This unit is externally assessed and in the form of a 2.5-hour exam. Within this unit, you will explore and assess different individuals' lifestyle choices and provide guidance on how to improve health, well-being and performance based on the client or individual. This guidance will include suggestions on lifestyle modifications, and you will be required to plan and justify a training programme for a range of individuals, for example a sedentary individual or an elite athlete. Each scenario is different and specific to the goal of the individual.
Unit 3 is taught by myself, Jason Turner, in Year 13. The subject covers professional development in the sports industry. This unit is internally assessed and you'll be expected to complete 2 assignments during the course of the year. The first assignment will focus upon your skills and you'll be asked to link them to a career and job opportunity of interest. The second assignment, you'll be asked to apply for a job at Dufferin Conway Leisure Centre and you will attend an interview. This interview will be recorded and you'll be instructed to watch the recording back and identify strengths and weaknesses and areas for improvement in your performance.